Remedies presents with one ingredient, get baby soft, fairer and younger hands overnight. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and today's video is very simple, easy and short, in which I will share with you the secret recipe I'm using for my hands to become soft and fairer. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. The soaps and other cleaning products we use today can cause your hands to look discolored, wrinkly and rough. According to the study, most people can accurately tell a person's age by viewing only their hands. So the appearance of our hands shouldn't be ignored, as it is a tool to reveal one's age. Luckily, there's no need to worry. Just do a favor to your hands before sleeping and use this extremely amazing remedy to get back the soft hands you once had. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of extra virgin coconut oil, a pair of gloves. Application: just apply the oil to both your hands. Put a pair of gloves on to help the oil penetrate deeply into your skin while you sleep. For best results, it is recommended to leave it on overnight. If you cannot, you can leave for a couple of hours. In the morning, you will be surprised to see the results. You will not believe it is your hands. How often you should do this? You can apply it daily. Why this works? The emollient properties of coconut oil can help improve skin hydration and increase the skin surface lipid levels. Thus, topical application of coconut oil can help make your hands softer. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.